How to link Google Authenticator to Bybit. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link Google Authenticator to your Bybit account. To do so, first of all, you need to ensure that you have already installed Google Authenticator application from your Google Play Store. Once you have done that, here make sure you have created an account on Bybit. You may also open the Bybit website, which is bybit.com. Here I have downloaded the Bybit application, so I'm going with the application. Open your application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you will be able to see your profile icon. Tap on the profile icon, and once you reach to this page, here at the top right, you will be able to locate the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon, and from the settings page, here look for security option. Once you find the security, tap on it to open it. And here scroll a bit down, and then there you'll be able to locate Google two-factor authentication option. You'll also see the toggle button at the right side. Simply tap on the toggle button, and by doing so, now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code and then enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, now it will verify the code. After that, you will reach to this page. Here it says to install Google Authenticator application on your mobile. If you have not installed that, you can go and install the application. If you have already installed the application, then simply tap on this continue button. By doing so, a code will be generated. Here you will need to tap on this copy key option at the right side. After that, tap on the next button below. Now you will need to go and open your Google Authenticator application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account here. Here, due to security reasons, video is restricted to record. Simply follow the guidelines and you will be able to do so. On the home page of your Google Authenticator application, you will be able to locate the plus button. Go ahead and tap on the plus button, and then there you will be able to see enter a setup key option. Tap on it. By doing so, here in the first text box, enter the name of your account. You can enter it by Bybit. After that, in the second text box that says key, here you will need to paste your key from your Bybit account. After that, you can simply tap on this add button at the right side. Once you tap on this add button, now you will see Bybit in this list. Come back to your Bybit. In this page, here you'll be able to locate get code option. Tap on this get code, and then you will be redirected to Google Authenticator app. You will need to enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator and enter it in a Bybit application. Once you have entered it, now you will see you have successfully set up or linked Google Authenticator to your Bybit account. So by following these steps, you should be able to link Google Authenticator to your Bybit account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.